Okay, I want to show you how stupid easy it is to make faceless videos now. These are getting millions, if not tens of millions of views here. So I have an ancient history channel as well. This channel has already done the prep work for me. I don't need to reinvent the wheel. All I need to do is remake these titles and topics that are working. So the first thing I'm going to do is choose a video that I haven't made before. Let's do this one, the most weird ritual of every emperor. So the most weird ritual of every emperor. Okay, so I'm coming over here to syllabi. I'm going to click create video here. We have a lot of different art styles. I'm going to go with hyper realism. Okay, I'm going to choose, let's do my own voice. This is an AI voice clone. And then all I'm going to do is enter in that title here. All right, so the most weird ritual of every empire. I click generate script. It takes about 2 seconds here to generate an entire video script. And maybe I want to customize this a little bit. All right, let's remove the last part and let's maybe add a call to action. Subscribe if you love ancient history. Boom. Okay. While that video is generating, that's going to take about 2 minutes. I'm just going to show you my whole workflow here. I'm going to find another video that I want to create. And by the time that I create this new video, the first one should be good to go. So let's see. Let's see. Crazy facts about Alexander. Were Spartans the most badass people ever? Let's do that one. Spartans the most badass people ever. Okay. And let's go back here. Faceless videos. This time, let's maybe go with Greek mythology. Let's try that style. I'm going to use Dynamo, subtitles, and then I'm going to use this voice Anthony.
Logic will get you from A.
Okay. Now I'm going to type this in. We're Spartans, the most badass people ever. I'm going to generate my script here. Okay, we're pretty good. And again, I'm just going to customize the ending. Let's see. So it ends with a question. Let's add something like let me know in the comments. All right, so we're pretty good here. We're Spartans, the most badass people ever. Let's find out. Okay, so we're going to generate video. Let's go back over here, and then let's go to my videos. And that was pretty fast, so it hasn't finished generating yet. Let's just give this a refresh here in 1 minute. And in about 3 minutes, we have our videos fully generated here, and so we can take a look at it.
You know that every empire in history has its own bizarre rituals? Take the Inca Empire, for instance.
Okay. And now we can download, edit, or we can just publish it. So let's publish this video, and I'm going to publish it on Facebook and Instagram from here. You can just click suggest description from AI. It'll automatically write the description for you. Okay. We can see what it's going to look like. Let me add some hashtags in here. Ancient history, I don't know. Interesting. Okay. And I'm going to select this as a Facebook reel because I want that to go up, and same thing on Instagram. Let me add some hashtags in here, and I want this to be an Instagram reel as well. And all I need to do is click publish. And as you can see, this video was now published onto my Facebook page and on my Instagram Reels page, all in less than 5 minutes. Insane.